Traders are paying close attention to consumers and home buyers. Trader Jared is here with a stock connected to consumers and credit.
Hey guys, Jared Levy here with DBHW with your trade of the day. And remember, this isn't a buy, sell, hold recommendation. These trades are meant to give you guidance and some issues or sectors or stocks that you might want to take a look at. And today I'm talking about a little turnaround story, and that's LendingTree. The ticker symbol is TREE, trading around $40 a share. Now, if you're not familiar, and if you've been sitting under a rock, the mortgage refinance space has had a tough time since COVID. Rates have soared. LendingTree, not so long ago, was $350 plus, right? And obviously they've struggled. Their last earnings report was a good one. They finally turned back to profitability. And, the CEO was really optimistic about the future. And again, obviously he's taking into account where consumers are right now. Now, mind you, that was before all this tariff rigmarole started. So I'm going to say this with a caveat. I think LendingTree looks interesting and valuable here potentially, but don't get caught in a value trap if consumers start to tumble. Now, I still believe in Main Street. I still believe that we could be okay long term. And I still believe that interest rates will come down and it will spark a refinancing, not boom, but at least an increase there, which will go right to the bottom line of certain companies like LendingTree. Now, I will note in the last fourth quarter, revenues grew 95% almost to $261 million. That's a huge number, beating analyst expectations. The data that I'm seeing inside of the analyst realm is, again, very bullish going into earnings on April 29th. Now, since there's still a couple of weeks, those things can change. But right now, I will say that the momentum looks good. All analysts that cover the stock rate it as a buy. You might look at a upside target of 57, maybe even 60. But if the turnaround does occur, and if consumers stay strong and resilient, and if we get a tariff deal sooner than later, I believe that interest rates will start to come in. And again, that could be a really good thing here for a stock like LendingTree. So those of you who are looking for value, remember, there's a lot of market volatility out there and you must proceed with caution. But from an earnings and fundamental perspective, LendingTree might be an interesting one to take a look at here. Again, I'm Jared Levy. Have a great trading day.